On average, the motorcycle season in Russia lasts for 5 months. Of course, in the southern regions in Crimea, the motorcycle season hardly ever ends. But, for example, in St. Petersburg, the motorcycle season lasts 4 months. St. Petersburg is called the motorcycle capital of Russia, and during the off-season it experiences a time of upheaval, a time for the opening of new clubs and chapters, the closing of clubs and chapters, as well as entries, transitions, and departures from clubs. Most of this activity primarily occurs during the cold winter months. And in winter, accordingly, all the birthdays of these clubs, motorcycle exhibitions, and winter meetings all take place in the off-season, walking season.